Hey there, Apple fans. Welcome back to Gadget Guru. Today, we're diving into the key differences between iOS 18 and iOS 17. If you're wondering whether to upgrade, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the user interface. iOS 18 brings a fresh look with more customizable widgets and an enhanced lock screen. You can now resize widgets and place them anywhere on your home screen, giving you more control over your layout. iOS 17, standard widgets. iOS 18, resizable and movable widgets. Siri has gotten smarter in iOS 18. Now, Siri can understand the context of your previous commands and recognize what's on your screen. This means you can ask follow-up questions or have Siri interact with the content directly in front of you. iOS 17, basic commands. iOS 18, context-aware commands. Privacy and security have been major focuses in iOS 18. There's a new privacy dashboard that gives you a detailed view of how apps are using your data. Plus, mail privacy protection hides your IP address and prevents senders from knowing when you open their emails. iOS 17, standard privacy settings. iOS 18, enhanced privacy dashboard. The Photos app has been revamped in iOS 18. It now combines the library and For You tabs for a more streamlined experience. The new Collections feature automatically groups photos by themes like trips and recent days. On the camera side, there's an improved night mode and new ProRAW editing tools. iOS 17, separate tabs. iOS 18, unified view and intelligent collections. Several apps have received significant updates. The Mail app now categorizes your emails into transactions, promotions, and updates, keeping your inbox organized. Messages has introduced SharePlay for co-watching videos and listening to music with friends during FaceTime calls. iOS 17, standard email organization. iOS 18, advanced categorization and SharePlay. iOS 18 also brings improvements in performance and battery life. The new update optimizes background processes, making your device faster and more efficient. Expect longer battery life and smoother multitasking. iOS 17, standard performance. iOS 18, optimized for speed and efficiency. So, there you have it. Those are the major differences between iOS 18 and iOS 17. Whether it's the enhanced privacy features, improved Siri, or the revamped Photos app, iOS 18 offers plenty of reasons to upgrade. Which feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gadget Guru, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates and reviews. Thanks for watching.